move this motion?
Absolutely none.
Just before we broke for lunch, there was a video that was played before the Senate. We asked that the same be played so we can comment on it. But before the video was played, was there public participation that was carried out?
Yes, honorable members. After I read a notice of motion on that 1st of July, last month, honorable members, there was a public participation that was done on 5th of August in the 45 wards of Meru County. And the public participation was very successful, honorable members, and it was both qualitative and quantitative.
When you speak about qualitative and quantitative, what do you mean?
The public participation, the public participation was successful and it was qualitative because the residents of Meru County were given an opportunity to give their views both through written memorandums. They gave their views through attending the public participation in the gazetted venues, honorable members. And again, they were also given an opportunity even to send their views through electronic media, honorable members.
In the analysis of the public participation, in terms of percentage, how many were in support of the impeachment and how many were
sorry, Counsel for the County Assembly. Honorable members, kindly be seated and be silent. The County Assembly is presenting its case. Let's hear the witness in total silence. Proceed, Counsel.
I put a question to you, whether you did an analysis of how many members of the public were in support of the impeachment and how many were against the same.
Thank you. Honorable Speaker and honorable members, about 85% of the public participants presented oral and written memorandums in support of the motion to impeach the governor. That means 15% of the participants are the ones who opposed the motion to impeach the governor of Meru.
Is that evidence before the Senate? And if yes, kindly answer the same.
The evidence is here before the Senate, and it is in our documents, volume 5, public participation documents, volume 5.
That's the big volume, yes?
Yes.
Kindly point out the page.
Page 14.
Page 14. And perhaps before we play the video, when was the motion moved?
Honorable Speaker and honorable members, the motion was moved on 8th of August 2024.
Were there events that occurred that preceded the debating of the motion? And if yes, would you kindly indicate them?
Honorable Speaker and honorable members, before the motion was moved on 8th of August 2024, there were preceding events that preceded the debate of the motion. One of them, notably, the attempted arranging of the county assembly while the members were inside, honorable Speaker and honorable members.
When you speak about attempts to lynch, what exactly happened? The senators were not present. They might want to understand the situation.
Honorable Speaker and honorable members, there was an attempt to arrange to ban the county assembly of Meru at around 3 a.m. while the members were inside the county assembly, honorable members.
How was that situation arrested and who arrested it?
Honorable Speaker and honorable members, that situation was arrested by mainly our sergeants, and also because there was a lot of security personnel that was deployed during the night and even the previous night around the assembly. The security personnel also assisted much in putting out the fire.
Say that then the fire was lit? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, the fire was lit. Actually, it was a petrol bomb. It was a petrol bomb that was thrown on the roof of the county assembly from the Meru Law Courts. It was the Meru Law Courts borders the county assembly, and somebody climbing through the roof of the Meru Law Courts threw a petrol bomb on the assembly. And actually, Honorable Speaker and honorable members, I was inside. I was unable even to wear my shoes to run out. I ran out barefoot. Wow. That night because the roof started burning and we couldn't see the fire. We couldn't see the fire from inside.
Okay, that's okay. What were you doing at the county assembly at 3 a.m.?
Honorable Speaker and members, we were in the county assembly because of security reasons. We were in the county assembly at that time because of security reasons. There were so many threats. There were so many threats on our lives, Honorable Speaker. And I would want even to report to this house that even my house, my own home was attempted. There was some fire that was thrown in my own house. So we were in very serious fear that we would not get to the assembly. And even there are some people who are threatened that they would block all the roads such that we don't get to the assembly.
Thank you. So do you have evidence of such kind of threats before this assembly? And if yes, would you wish us to play it?
The threats were given by some members of the public, and I believe we have some videos. We have some videos that can show that, including a video of attempted arsonists in my home.
So we play video 9, and as we prepare to play video 9 in the assembly bundles, whom do you attribute, or why were those threats? Where were they coming from?